Yes, I'm there.
Yeah, thank you, Sanjeev. Ranjit, you're there? Okay, I see Kaushik is there. I'm only checking with. Okay. Thank you, Kaushik. Ranjit,
Yeah.
okay. Thank you. First of all, I would like to say special thanks to all of you. It needs a lot of patience and supporting the management on something very new when we are doing and helping us.
Yeah.
Avinash and Sanjeev, especially, we have to change your batches, we have to delay the courses, we have to move from NTSC to PSA. Uh, that gives us a lot of happiness and more confidence that yeah, we have the teachers are with us and we can really explore and do a lot of new stuffs. So
Yes.
one of the points which I wanted I wanted to be very frank, and you all have a rights to know, is we started to do an NTSC course thinking the NTSC is a scholarship exam and there will be a lot of demand from the student side. But unfortunately, it didn't turn out. Even our BTL activities, which we do on the schools, we didn't get a good response on NTSC, and very less students started enrolling for NTSC. And it didn't make any sense, to start a batch of only two or three students in NTSC. So very quickly, we took the strategic decision of closing the NTSC and get the PSA courses. So far, we have done 8 workshops in Bangalore schools on PSA, and we have a lot of attraction on PSA. So we are going full fledged on the PSA courses from 15th of October, that is day after tomorrow. So on 15th, we have only 2 batches of PSA. We have just 2 batches of PSA on 15th, and those 2 batches are handled by Sanjeev and Kaushik. And on 20th, October 20th, we have 5 batches of PSA starting. We have a teacher by name Shankara who is going to start one batch. Pranav will start, Ranjit will start one batch, Kirti will start another batch, and Avinash will be taking 2 batches. And on 30th, we have another 4 batches from Sanjeev, Pranav, Kaushik, and Rohit. So this is a full plan of PSA, and we will be launching the batches back to back. As soon as your one batch is getting completed, we are going to make sure that a new batch or a new course is getting started. I have already shared
Okay.
individual mail about your batches duration and the time. If any, and we have
Yes.
freezed on that, and all those batches are already visible on our TSA landing pages, which I will show you later. Uh, and not to worry, once PSA, there are two updates about the PSA at this moment. Some schools are, I'm muting you all and I will unmute later. Yeah. So some schools are telling that the exams of PSA would be in November. Some schools are saying it is in the February. We have written the update mails to the CBSE board also. We have checking with the various school principals to see when exactly is the PSA exam. But it is confirmed that PSA exam will happen, and we will be keep running the batches for PSA. And once PSA courses are done, we will be surely coming out with one or another courses so that your engagement on one to few will be always there. So what I am going to do is I'm going to update you on the PSA first. Then I have already shared the PSA content with you all just some 5 minutes before. Kindly check your mails on that, and I will be taking the questions when we should be done for now. And tomorrow you will be getting another small YouTube video of how you will be joining this one to few sessions through the portal. Sanjeev and Kaushik, since your batches are starting from 15th, look into those videos, and if you have any doubts, directly call on my mobile number. I will be sharing my mobile number also. And for the teachers who are starting on 20th, we can call one day later, or you can reply back on the mail where we can sort it out. But for 15th batch, we have to close it tomorrow only. So just an update on PSA. This is why the mandatory part is very important, hence that's the reason why we are getting a lot of response from the schools and the students. It is mandatory for the class 9 student, and all the class 10 students who have not got a good marks in the class 9 are taking the NTSC exams. There is no syllabus at this moment, there is no standard syllabus, but there are three parts of PSA: qualitative, quantitative, and language. Qualitative includes mental ability, humanities, arts, and social science. Quantitative includes reasoning found in maths and science, and language includes the grammar and vocabulary, the writing communication part. We at Vedantu, we cover the qualitative and mathematics part of quantitative, and it is in a 15 hours course in Vedantu. So there will be 60 items of multiple choice questions and carry 60 marks, and distribution of 60 items as follows. Qualitative reasoning is 18 marks. We cover all the qualitative part. Quantitative reasoning standalone MCQs 10, passage 1 4, passage 2 4, again 18 marks, and we cover the mathematics part in the quantitative reasoning, not the science part. And the language convention is a 24 marks. Roughly, we cover close to some 30 marks of the PSA exam in our 15 sessions in Vedantu. So why this course is important? Because it sharpens the mind and enhances the mental aptitude, helpful for the students to crack CAT, NTSC, BSAT, and IIT JEE. And okay, this we have used for the students to attract. They will be able to get able to clear the entrance test of the big company jobs also. Not for the teachers at this moment. Um, what is the Vedantu package on PSA? It is a 15 hours course completion plan. It is in a 15 sessions plan. Out of 15 sessions, the 11 sessions are dedicated to qualitative part, that is the mental ability reasoning part. 3 sessions are dedicated to quantitative part of mathematics, and 1 session is on revision. There are worksheets, so regular and disciplined study plan, then the worksheet targeting PSA. For every session, there is a well-defined worksheets which the students will be getting. Developing this will help in developing the analytical skills and strengthen application-based learning. It will give an exposure to competitive exam approach. MCQ pattern test and assignments are done. Detailed discussion of the doubts, discussion of the worksheet, and regular doubt clarification. And we are covering the qualitative and quantitative reasoning. So this is how our PSA courses are there already. I am just going to Vedantu.com. If you go to Vedantu.com in the offerings, in Vedantu.com, if you go to offerings, we have exam courses, and in the exam courses, we have something for PSA. So if you select for, okay, pretty slow. Okay. Just give me a second. So if you go to Vedantu.com, from this is a normal landing page. In Vedantu.com, we have offerings. Are you able to see the screen? Okay, thank you, Perfect. So if you go here in the offerings, we have exam courses. In the exam courses, if you click on PSA, it will show the upcoming PSA courses. We have three set of courses here. When we say courses, it's in a date and launch date combination on 15th August and on 20th August and on 30th August. Now, if I click on enroll of 15th August, this particular page will open. On 15th August, we have two batches by Mr. Sanjeev at 5:30, by Kaushik at 7 p.m. If you see, this is a student information. We talk about what are the courses. Kindly go and visit this course. It will give you an input like what we do. Then you can see and you can see Sanjeev, right? It shows 6 seats are available. The maximum is 7, but 6 seats are available. But in fact, Sanjeev, already 3 sales are happened. and two more are in the pipeline, so they will be filling in very soon. Once the payment confirmation is done, then the seats looks like filled, and this is really awesome to show you. This first seat here is filled, therefore the color is different, and it shows 6 seats are available. But it's now, as I said, we have couple of sales which we have to update into the system. Then the number of seats available will reduce. So what we do session wise, we have first session we will be covering a direction distance sense with comprehension based question. Session 2 is on series number alphabet series letter series. Session 3 is on finding odd one out and finding missing number. Session 4 is on counting the number of figures. Session 5 is on figure completion pattern for figures coding and decoding. Then 6 is on analogy, number, word, and selecting the correct order. Then 7 is on seating arrangement and blood relationship. And for each session, end of the session, the student will be getting the assignment. And after seventh session, that is after this session, seating arrangements and blood relationship, they will be asked to take a test, and the test report will be shared with you. So therefore, the eighth session is actually of 30 minutes, but 30 minutes will go on discussion about the test. So it includes discussion about the test, followed by the test statement conclusion via logical Venn diagram and statement analysis. Then 9 is on data interpretation, 10 is on date, time, clock, calendar questions, 11 is on sequencing and sentence ordering, 12, 13, 14 is on general mathematical skills, that is on quantitative aptitude part. And after this 14th session, again a test 2 will be conducted and results will be shared with you. Therefore, the next day we will be discussing about the test. We will be sharing the practice uh, passages, comprehension, general discussion about how the PSA paper is, and discussing about the previous year question papers. And for 15th session, the content is already shared with you all. Kindly have a look into the content and let us know if there is any questions or doubts on that. Similarly, for every batch, there will be uh, schedule details available. You can also click on the curriculum and the FAQs. Just go on to this page and make sure that you are checking the all the details. So 15th we are starting with two batches, but if you go to I will take all the questions, Kaushik. Please just give some time. On 20th, we have five batches. So one by Shankar, one by Avinash, then another by Avinash, then Ranjit and Kirti Kandelwal on 20th. And on 30th, we have again four batches, starting at 5:30, 7, and 8:30. So these are the details of the batches. Now I'm again coming back to the presentation. Um, so what as a teacher we have to do. So kindly join the session 5 to 10 minutes prior to schedule. There will be we will be showing how to join the session. It's going to be very simple. You have to go on my courses. Once you have to log into Vedantu first, and in Vedantu you have my courses. There you will be we will be showing you a PSA at your particular batch, and you have to there will be join session button. You have to just join the session, and once you join the session you will be on the GoToMeeting platform, because we are using GoToMeeting tool to conduct the session. You have to open the whiteboard, as well as you have to have the GoToMeeting open. We demonstrated this other day, so how that happens. So very simple. First go into your Vedantu website. In the courses we will be having a PSA, and there will be join session. Once you join session, you will be in the GoToMeeting. GoToMeeting is used only for talking and screen sharing purpose. So you have to also open the Vedantu whiteboard to write and do the activities there. So share screen and conduct the session, and once the session is done, fill the session report form. Then on a regular basis, you have to analyze the session reports, which will be assignment reports. Whenever your student takes assignment, we'll be sharing those reports. That will help you in the conducting the discussion and clearing the doubts, and also check the content and be ready for session on a daily basis. Now, how is the session scheduled? The session is scheduled for 60 minutes. In 60 minutes on day one, that is the first day, first 10 minutes is the induction. So talk about our course, talk about 15 sessions, what we do, and then do the session for 45 minutes. So total 55 minutes. do the summary and wrap up the session in the last 5 minutes. That is the first day. On the second day, first 10 minutes should be used to discuss about the assignment of previous session, followed by 45 minutes teaching, 5 minutes summary. Day 3, discuss the assignments of day 2, then day 3 session for 45 minutes and 5 minutes for summary. The same thing will be followed all the way till day 50. Then what is the content shared? The content shared is sufficient to conduct a 45 minutes to 60 minutes session. So please look into the content and see the questions, practice them well in advance. You all know how to answer those questions, but it is always good to have a first-hand experience on the content. And if you have any doubt, anything, I will let you know who will be the single point of contact. So you have to mail the person. We'll update the details of the single point of contact, the mail details and the phone number. And I will be the second point of contact or an escalation point of contact for all 1 to few courses. So here is the earning potential. We are charging 3,000 rupees per student. Maximum seats are going to be 7. So the total correction maximum we can get is 2,100, and teacher will be getting a 70% of share. So here the ownership is on the teachers also. We have to make sure that all students will stick to us, and we are very sure that they will be sticking to us, and we will be completing the courses. If 7 students complete the course, if 7 students, sorry, if 7 students complete the course, uh, you will be making 14,700. If 6 students complete the course, you will be making 12,600. If 5 students complete, this is the amount. If 3 students complete, this is the amount. But there is a minimum guarantee, that is, even if there is a one by, which is never a case so far, but just as it is there, I am discussing. Even if it is a 1 student also, we will give more than what is being collected. That's the minimum guarantee is guaranteed, but we get 7 students, and you will be getting a 70% of our collection. So that was on the earning potential, Vedantu's package. Now open for questions. You can unmute rather than typing. Yeah, Kaushik, go ahead.
Yeah, the thing is regarding the content I was supposed to ask you.
Yeah.
We just went through the first 2 3 topics. There
Uh,
were answers given regarding, but after fourth topic, I didn't see answer sheets. Basically, these questions are answerable from us, but just to ensure that the answers are correct, we need to have a reference actually. So I guess from fourth, the answers are not available. So can you just throw some light on it?
I let me check, because what you're talking about, teacher manual?
Sorry.
Are you talking about teacher manual?
Uh, y- just a second. Just a
See,
second. Yeah, yeah. When I open the folder that you shared, there is a
uh,
PST session 1, 2, 3, and all those things folders.
yeah.
So in those in the session 1 folder, there are all answers also given and everything is given. But in the fourth or some just a second. Yeah, in the fourth session, only the questions are present. I didn't get the answers actually.
1 minute. Let
So
me check. Let me check.
yeah, yeah.
No, there are answers also in the fourth session. Okay,
Uh,
let me tell what all the things are present in your folders. One, there will be a teacher manual. The teacher manual is something which you have to use in the session. Then it will contain assignment for files with the answers. Okay, and
just a
then
second. I'll go through. Yeah, yeah. There are answers. Yeah.
yeah, and then you will
But
be having the
but
question images also.
uh, yeah, but as you said, there are answers in the assignments, right?
Yeah.
But the 2 folders, I guess, that we need to share, we need to take in this session during this session. For those, I am asking about the answer, or are they in the second folder? Just let's check.
No, 1 minute, Kaushik. If you click on teacher manual, can you open a teacher manual? Teacher manual is something which you will be using in the session. Please open the teacher manual.
Just a second. Uh, is the folder named teacher manual or is it PSA session 1 or session 2?
See, open PSA session 4. Let us go to session 4 now.
yeah. I just clicked on it. Yeah, I found it.
Now you have a supported images folder, right? Then you have a session question images folder,
Mm-hmm.
right?
See, I'm having just a second.
Kaushik, if you look at it, there is a PDF file and a document with the name
Yeah.
PSC Session 4 Teacher Manual .pdf and PSC Session Teacher Manual .docx. So you should
Uh,
refer to particular.
just a
I
second.
am right now in
See,
PSC Session 4.
no, the thing is, I'm not getting actually. Is it that anything added been? Because
No, no,
I'm not
no.
getting this
Kaushik,
talking about
Kaushik,
PDF and all this.
Kaushik, come back on the GoToMeeting screen. I'm sharing something to you. Maybe,
Okay, yeah. So,
yeah. Then I will suggest you download this folder and save it on the desktop. Sometimes, if internet is poor, all files may not be visible.
yeah, I guess I didn't receive this teacher manual.pdf and all this things.
Yes. See, I have shared everything. There can be two reasons.
Okay.
Since it is an
Yeah, yeah,
online
no problem.
sharing, it may not be visible, but you can download
Yeah.
and that will be visible. Now, this is what I am talking, the teacher manual.
Okay.
The teacher manual is the
Okay.
one
Okay.
which will be used in a session, and I am opening the teacher manual. In the teacher
Okay. No
manual,
issues.
we will have all the questions which will be discussed along with the answer and how we got the answer.
Okay. Okay.
So we have made complete effort of sharing everything which a teacher would need in one to few
Okay.
sessions.
No issues. Yeah, I was talking regarding this one. Yeah.
Yeah. So then
So,
assignments which will be shared with the student, but we are sharing the answer copies of assignment also. Tomorrow if student come back and he say, I tried this in the question in the assignment and I want
yeah.
know how to approach the answer, that is also done. To help you
And another
further.
question was, yeah, as you said regarding the teacher manual, all the questions are solved.
Hmm.
Those questions are made in yeah, JPG also. So, in which folder it has been accommodated?
It is done in that folder by
The
name
sessions.
session question images.
Okay, this I didn't get that also. Yeah, no issue. If you read me once again, then that would be good because I didn't get any of these
Right
things.
away, just give me a minute.
Yeah, no issues. Yeah. Just remove my side.
I've shared with you again, Kaushik, but if you still find the challenge,
Okay.
it's not only to Kaushik, for all the teachers, if they find every content folder session wise should have a teacher manual, assignment,
Okay.
assignment solution, and question images. If not, kindly let us know. I will be happy to share
Okay,
multiple
no
times.
issues. Yeah, yeah, no issues. Okay. So I'll just check it if I do have all these things.
Yes. Avinash, I will be sharing the presentation, the PSA presentation today with you all for your reference. Whatever I used, which has every details about the earning potential and uh, the breakup and what are the things. And already content is shaped, and the details of uh, your batch timings. Avinash, any questions?
Yes, sir, I got it. I got it. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you,
I
boss.
guess, and all those things are incorporated. No issues.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Anything else, Kaushik?
Uh, just a second. Yeah. Another thing was regarding actually, if we are supposed to continue for 15 days at a stretch, right?
Hmm.
So I'll be continuing with my other regular students on Vedantu, but for any other request or the new request, it won't be possible for me to attend all those things. So can Vedantu will be taking care of it, or what would be?
Okay, good question. I will also go and talk to teacher care team, and I will share your slot with them, and will make sure that no new request come in this particular slot. In the
Okay, yeah.
meanwhile,
And if it comes, then we need to reject it. Basically, the thing is, we'll be going with our regular students, but it won't be possible to add another one to
yes,
join this.
yes, yes. So we will update the Vedantu team. Point one.
Okay.
Point two, you also be careful if any request is coming which is clashing with your one to few session. Just
Okay.
reject it, quoting that you already have on a one to few session of PSA.
Okay, no issues.
Yeah. Sanjeev, any questions? It can be
No
based
questions
on
from my
your
side.
observation. I hope you all have joined Remas or Namo session. The questions can be from there also, not only particular to PSC or content. Avinash,
No,
Ranjit, any
I'll
questions?
share my experience with the what I went through the video basically.
Yeah.
I was a little bit doubtful about having all 6 students or 7 students pretty active during the session, but I found them pretty active. That when the madam was teaching, they were pretty active. That is a good sign actually. I was having a doubt regarding that, but
Yeah.
the response from all those were good. They were on their toes, so that was a good part actually.
Yeah, recently we did another one batch of NTSC by Gagandeep, one of our teacher. There are 6 students and they're interacting really awesome. And for this is what going to be a future. I'm
Yeah,
take my words. And now slowly from a small number of batches we are expanding. In November we are going with so many one to few. We are also starting plus one, plus two, and other things. And student 5 to 6 students, even 7 students, never a challenge to interact, and it's very easy to manage.
yeah. The only part that I found hard was actually I've joined Vedanta by 2 3 months back. So only difficult or what you can say somewhat cumbersome part is regarding the writing on the whiteboard basically.
Okay.
So when I just went to the Namosa session, it was actually less writing, but when I just referred Rima ma'am's state, it was too much of a writing, or it was actually handling it pretty well. So that was a difficult form of part for
Actually,
me.
Kaushik, the Rima ma'am session which you joined, we had a technical
Yeah.
issue. What happened is that's the beauty of
Okay.
what Rima did in that session is the images were
Okay.
not getting uploaded, so she started drawing
Yeah,
the
exactly,
images.
exactly.
Yeah,
Absolutely. So she was writing every question. That's why I
yeah,
actually just was in doubt basically, is it good or not?
yeah. It was a very odd case, the images were not getting uploaded, and she has to
Yeah,
start
exactly,
writing.
exactly.
But in the same day, Namo session went very well because I usually join all the
Okay.
sessions, so I remember that. That's what it happened.
Yeah, exactly. That's right. Yeah. Image uploading is a good thing actually.
Yeah. Ranjit, anything to say?
Yes, sir. May I say something here?
Yeah, yeah, go ahead.
Sir, one thing I want to add to all my colleague here. If they want to take a test here on suppose that we have a 7 or 8 student like which we are going to handle here, and suppose that someone is not working or suppose that you want to test him that all people are working or not, because when one student is giving the answer, so he can also listen another student. So generally what I will suggest, take their answer in chat box and they can send the chat, that means answer personally to you, personally to organizer. So we have option in the chat, everyone and organizer or personal one. So use this one always.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, there is a
Hello?
private chat and for everyone chat. So you can
Yeah,
just
actually, sir, what will happen? I have already taken so many one to many sessions. In that session, what happened actually here? Some student doesn't work. Suppose that if they came here by force, they don't work here. So
yeah,
in that case, teacher might be confused that student is working or not. Because suppose if we are talking, suppose I am talking and Sridhar sir is talking, so all other people can also listen the same thing. So if
yeah,
you are taking the answer by voice, so other student will understand what is the answer.
yeah,
So he will also, without actual working out, he will also answer you. So in that case, we have to use this thing. So we can also get what the student is doing perfectly or not. We can also get this idea.
yeah.
So
So
it will help.
another thing here is with what you very very well said by Avinash is like, and what I believe is you all will explore that and you figure out what is the easiest and the best way to manage. One of the we have a teacher expert by name Puneet. What he does is he throws the question and he asks all the students to mute themselves, not to speak out the answer, and neither type the answer to everyone, and he will accept the answers privately, and then he will start questioning for each student how did they get the answer. Some might have got correct, some might have got wrong. So it is like more about how control we are going to handle, have the stuff on the student side.
And
Okay.
sir, one more thing I want to ask here.
Yeah.
My question for Sridhar sir. Suppose they ask for qualitative, for suppose social science questions, then what we need to answer them? Because whatever the pattern we have only for the mathematics section
Yeah,
and
see
reasoning
that
section.
that's where I said is like in the first session, spend first 10 minutes to talk what we are going to cover. Our sales team is
Yeah.
very categorically telling them we'll cover the qualitative part and in quantitative only mathematics part. So we will again restress as a teacher in the day one what is our 15 session comprises. So first 10 minutes,
Okay.
introduce yourself, take the introduction of student and talk about the course. And in between, if they come, we will say like this is not part of our course design. We will be not able to help them. And that is already there on the website, and our sales team also are talking about the same thing.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah, there was another doubt actually.
Yes, Kaushik.
Yeah, when I went through the two the sessions from Expert, I just saw around 15-20 pages being uploaded already. So have they done it 10 minutes prior to it?
Usually 5 minutes is fine for that, Kaushik. See, that's
Yeah,
what you know.
okay.
That's why you have to join 5 minutes early, open the whiteboard, and upload all the question images and
Okay.
save them. I think that was number who usually does that 5-10 minutes before he does that, and that's very easy. You know,
Okay.
later the session just goes.
Yeah, we can directly move to the next problem,
Yes,
which is ready.
yes.
Yeah, hello.
Yep.
Yeah. Uh, how much would be the technical glitches being how they are encountered basically? So this is pretty actually right now it's okay with the voice and all those things, but to have some bad voice in between or interruptions regarding technical glitches, then it would be difficult to handle around 6 to 7 students at a time. So how
Yeah.
has it been taken?
Yeah, Kaushik, very good question. Point one is why we are using automating is because one of the very uh, what I say, one of the most feasible to do the one to few kind of a session environment.
Okay.
Once student joins and once teacher starts, there will be no much discussions. Sorry,
Okay. Okay.
disruptions. In the worst case, there can be some issues like if your internet goes off, then the
Yeah.
go-to meeting gets disconnected, or go-to meeting itself server is down. So in that case, I will be
Okay.
sharing the single point of contact number, and they will be trained how to manage that, and it's a very easy fix. We'll be managing that.
Okay. Okay. So, and I'll be starting with my 15th October batch, right? So
Yes,
when I'll be getting to know the number of students and who are they?
by tomorrow evening.
Okay. Okay. So would they be seven or would it be depending upon the response?
Sorry.
Yeah, would they be seven or would it be depending upon the response?
No, no, no. We are getting seven.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. Any other questions?
Sir, one more thing, sir.
Yes, Avinash.
Uh, sir, suppose that if we get good student
Hmm.
and they are able to solve all the question within 30 minutes, okay?
Hmm.
So we are left with 10 or 15 minutes in the last.
Hmm.
So is it possible to upload some question from ourselves
Yes.
if we have time?
Yes. Completely fine.
Oh, okay, okay. Because might be possible in internet we have lot of questions here. So
Hmm.
suppose if time permits, so we can also upload those questions.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yeah, can you share how is the screen sharing option? Where is the screen sharing option?
I will do that with you, Kaushik. Just give me a minute.
Okay.
Give me 1 minute. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make you a presenter. I hope you already have a whiteboard. Did you get any message there?
Yes, yes. To become presenter, please download a small extension.
Yes.
So should I download it?
Yes, yes. Avinash and Sanjeev, if no questions, and I think we are done. I'll just help Kaushik and Ranjit to understand how to share the screen.
Pardon, sir?
If
Hello?
no, Avinash and Sanjeev, if no questions, I'm done. I'll just help Kaushik and Ranjit to share the screen. Nothing much.
Yeah, sure,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah. Thank
Sure.
you.
Okay. In
Thank
that
you.
case, can we log off?
Yeah, you can log off. Keep checking your mails. A lot of updates will be sent on the mail by in tomorrow.
Sure. Sure, Sridhar.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thanks.
Sanjeev. Thank you,
Good night,
Avinash.
everyone.
Yeah. Good night.
Good night.
Kaushik, did you download that?
Yeah, I've just shared it. I guess this
There is a three buttons.
I'm
One
just
is for muting, second one is for sharing, and third one is the webcam. The share button will look
yeah.
something like a computer icon. Perfect. Now,
So are you able to see my screen?
yes, I'm able to see your screen. Now, can you come on
So
with the
now,
whiteboard?
yeah, yeah. So should I log in my account?
Yeah, so log in and click on try whiteboard.
Okay, yes.
Whatever the screen you will click here, Kaushik, the same screen
Yeah.
this all will see.
Okay, no issue. Yeah.
Suppose that you will click on any Vedantu tutor physics, then all people will see the
Okay.
same thing.
Achha,
Suppose you are using Skype or whatever on your screen, we will see that one.
everything will be able to see.
So we need to
Yeah,
be very
yeah.
careful on which tabs we are keeping it open. And another suggestion is for a GoToMeeting to work
Yeah.
better, log out from Skype.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. No issue, no issue. Yeah, is the option has been enabled regarding the my courses and PSA?
Yeah. No, not yet. Not
Or is
yet.
it?
Not yet. It will come tonight.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, so you might be seeing it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is how we need to do, right? We need to open this and then we can upload anything, and then this will how it goes, right?
Yes. So you have to have a try whiteboard opened. Okay. Try whiteboard
Okay.
You can
is the one
you
which
can
is
see
used.
there is a more option. More option. Click on the more. There will be try whiteboard.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Okay. So we need not to use all these things. All this thing would be taken care by GoToMeeting. Only the whiteboard kind thing and the uploading thing we need to do it from Vedanta, right?
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, it's clear to me. No issues.
Yeah. Ranjit, can I make you presenter? Now I can see a whiteboard, Kaushik.
Yeah. So, so should I hide it now? Yeah. So
No, no, no. So I'm again repeating. On every day for one to few, you have to open try whiteboard, keep the whiteboard ready, join the
Okay.
GoToMeeting, and share the whiteboard on the GoToMeeting and conduct the session. Nothing else.
Absolutely. No issues.
Yeah.
So this would look exactly as it is, right?
Yes.
The students.
But try to upload all the question before the session. It will be better for
I'll
us.
do that. Yeah, definitely.
Ranjit, I made you the presenter. Ranjit, you're there?
Hello?
Yep, yep, Ranjit. We can see your screen now.
Yeah, okay, so I'm pretty clear about my doubts.
Okay.
Yeah. So if there are any, I will call you or
Yeah, yeah. Just you have my number.
contact
You
you at
can
this.
just call me anytime.
Yeah. Okay, okay. So thank you. Can I log out?
Yes. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Ranjit, you would like to try that? Can you just are you clear about this technical part? Ranjit, any questions or any doubts? Could you please type or confirm with me? Hello. Good then. Thank you, Ranjit. Thank you, Avinash. So fingers crossed. I'm behind the sales team and marketing team to get the sales.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Anything, please reach out to me. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Yeah.
Bye. Good night, sir.
Good night.